Shenzhen Kingwo IoT Ltd is a high-tech company focused on IoT technology. We develop and sell GPS tracking products based on 4G, 3G, and 2G network technology. Our products include disposable and rechargeable asset GPS trackers, vehicle GPS trackers, which are for basic tracking as well as extended accessories, and personal GPS tracker for personal monitor, SOS alert, fall detection. Our hardware have been widely used in trailer tracking, RVs tracking, container tracking, vehicle tracking, and outdoors workers tracking. It brings security confidence for assets owners, fleet owners, and companies which needs improved management efficiency. Kingwo is very professional in OEM and ODM products. Till now, Kingwo's products have been exported to more than 80 countries and sold around 3 million units both in domestic and overseas market. Kingwo also has our own software platform which is called iTrackSense. It has live tracking, history trace, rich reports, and other features that can be customized. Kingwo's cooperated factory is equipped with SMT lines and different types of machines like temperature machines, vibration machines, X-ray machines to ensure the product quality. All products will be tested before shipping. Quality is 100% ensure and controlled. Most of our products have passed CE, FCC, and RoHS approval. Our target is providing most stable GPS tracking products to all our customers.